Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find advanced settings. Now let's tap on backup option, and as you can see here, we've got a whole Google Backup section. And basically, if for some reason the Google Backup section is turned off, just like in my case, so you are not able to tap on backup account, just tap on backup my data, tap on this switcher and go back. And as you can see right now, we can freely tap on backup account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And you do not really have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it. And here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, so, whoa, so let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with this first option. Let's tap on next. And here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can check it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept because we should have this step, as you can see. So here we've got some further details. We can check that we are able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account to storage and backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily whenever you want to. So if for some reason you do not want to back up the data right now, just tap on not now, and you will get back to the backup. And if you will again decide that you want to, you do not really have to go through the whole operation of adding the account, because as you can see, it is added. So just tap on it, choose the backup account, and you will go back to this step. So let's tap on turn on. And basically that's all. From this moment the backup is turned on, so the data is backed up. Here you can, let's say, customize the backup, so you can decide if you want to use the automatic restore. This option is defaultly turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on the switcher. But after turning it on, your device will simply restore the backed up data when you will reinstall an app. So that's quite cool and useful option. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.